Next on Jeep Creep, we're going to make it easy to flip that top right back in place without having to have tops all over the place, falling in the back seat, you know, kind of a mess. And we got a kit, and I'll show you how easy it is to install. All right, you got two hinges. You got a left one and a right one. Short sides go back to the rear, the long sides go forward to the front of the vehicle. You've got a little template right here. This helps you line up everything. It just hooks right on there. And then you line up that stuff right there like that. All right, I taped off where it's gonna go, and it'll make it a little bit easier for me to figure out where to clean. And we're cleaning with a lacquer thinner is what they recommend. All right, once you got it all lined up using the template, you follow the instructions for that. There's a couple points like right here. You can see it's cut out, that little V there. Right there you want to line up. And also it lines up with this template thing. It goes in the middle. This thing. Follow the instructions. It's pretty straightforward to follow. It's not very difficult. And we're just pulling off the 3M labels. And you want to use an X-Acto knife to pull up the label because the tabs don't really work. Can't really do that one-handed up here. Make sure you're using this automotive adhesion wipes, wiping it down, making sure it's real good and dry. Now that this side's down, all we're doing is just laying that side down. As you can see, it's cut right there to match the line. And boom, it's down. Let's get the other side down. All right, per the instructions, we walk on it. And what we're looking to do here is just apply pressure to get it to stick real well. So we're stepping very carefully. Just like that. So on the back side, at 25 inches, you want to put out these pads on the high spots. Don't need one in the center because there's nothing in the center for it to rest on. So 3 on each side, off center. Same deal, clean it really well with the lacquer thinner and make sure to use the automotive wipe as well. All right, I got all those down, nice and even and centered. On to the next step. All right, we got this side installed, and what it does is this thing here has got a spring on it, and it springs forward, and then you latch it down. If it doesn't line up, those 3 screws, all you do is loosen it up, and they got a little bit of play. Let's go ahead and get this side done and try it out. All right, what you want to do is take and get your latch down and kind of mock it up and find out where it needs to go. And that way there, you can pull off all this junk and then adhesive it down, and you'll know that it'll fit. All right, as you can see, this thing moves around a lot. It's got a lot of play in it, so you just take and line her up and lock her down, like so. And then go ahead and lock your screws down to where it fits in good. As you can see, when this is locked in place, it's pretty strong. I mean, it's got a little bit of wiggle to the side to side, but it ain't going front and back. It is not going anywhere. And there you go. It's all installed. So when you are ready to close up the hatch, all you do is pull that up. That folds over because it's spring loaded. Make sure that this is, you know, nice and open and all your latches are clear. Take your roof, pull it over like so. And then if it doesn't set down firmly at first, as you can see right here where it's up a few inches, just take and drop it, pick it up 3-4 inches, drops right down. Same deal on this side. I just pulled the latch. And now I'm gonna pull this over. A little bit hard with a lifted vehicle, but I can still do it. If you've got a rail to stand on, it's good. And then same deal right here to get this to close all the way. Lift it up a few inches,